How to turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So let's begin. Before we start, let me explain to you what is the Do Not Disturb option. So the Do Not Disturb option is very beneficial. So let's say for example, you are in a meeting or you are in a class. So if you have the Do Not Disturb option, the calls, texts, and other notifications will be silenced. So unlike when you put your phone on mute just like this one, your phone will still vibrate and your notifications can still be seen on your phone. But if you turn on the Do Not Disturb, all of these notifications, such as the banners and sounds, will be shut down. So let's begin. There are actually two ways to turn on Do Not Disturb. The first one is by going to your control center. So click or swipe down on the upper right corner of the screen to open your control center. So follow this assistive touch. So swipe down on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you may be able to see this moon logo like right here. So this is the Do Not Disturb option, or also known as the focus option. So you just simply click on this button right here, and then again, your notifications will be silenced. So if you want to go to settings, you may also turn on the Do Not Disturb. So go to settings, go to focus, and then click on Do Not Disturb right here, and turn on by clicking on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of Do Not Disturb. So that's it. That's how you can turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.